Hello and welcome to Lifetime English Learning's YouTube channel. And as always, I am Tim. Today we are going to be going over a grammar point, and we are going over the difference between there is and there are. These two phrases are existential phrases, and they tell you that something exists, that something is there. So, there is. I say there is for the singular object, or the singular. You say there is for the singular subject of the sentence. So, when there is one of something, you say there is. For example, there is an apple. Another example, there is a banana. Another example, there is a red truck in the road. These are all singular, or just one thing, and that is why we say there is. Next, we have there are, and we use there are when multiple things exist. It is the plural form of there is. So when we have two or more of something, we say there are. For example, there are a lot of toys. How many toys? I don't know, but more than one. So we say there are a lot of toys. Next, there are grapes in the refrigerator. How many grapes? One grape? No, a lot of grapes. There are grapes in the refrigerator. And our last example for there are 3 cars in the garage. How many cars? 3. There's more than one, so we say there are. And when we use these verbs as a question form, all we do is switch there is to is there. So we say, is there an apple in the fridge? Is there a banana in the kitchen? And we do the same thing for there are for things that are plural. So, for example, are there 3 cars in the garage? Another example, are there pieces of paper in your notebook? So, these are our existential phrases that we are going over today. There is for singular objects. If it's a question, you say, is there? Whatever. Is there a ball in your hand? And next, we have there are, which is for plural things that exist. So, there are 5 volleyballs. And when you want to switch it to a question, we say, are there 5 volleyballs? So, this is our grammar video for today. Great job, and just remember, you can like the video you can share the video with your friends who want to learn English. And always remember, go to our website, www.englishlanguagelearning.com. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you for watching.